Hello friends, welcome to our channel Friends Forever. Today we are going to see a simple online site that helps us make money from home easily without any investment. Come on friends, let's go into it. Open Google and type Pico Workers, you'll get the results. Click on the top result picoworkers.com so that you get directed into its website. There you can see two options, login and sign up. If you are using for the first time, you can use sign up option, or else you can log in to login options. You can see that you can also promote your business by creating a short video, editing a photo and etc. Or if you want to work from home, you can make a survey, you can give your review, you can write an article, or you can also text an app so that you can make easy payment from home without any investment. Now clicking on the sign up operation, you get into it. There it asks you to fill your details, give your full name and your present email address, and you can also give your nickname so that it is your name in the website, and you can create your own strong password with the combination of alphabets and number. Once you give your complete details, click the terms of condition checkbox and give sign up. It creates an account for you and you will get a confirmation email to your registered mail address. They have sent a confirmation mail to your registered mail address. So go to your inbox and check for Pico Workers mail and click on the link they have sent. By clicking on it, you get directed to the Pico Workers website and you can check the balance that $0.5 has been added to your account just for signing in. By scrolling down, you can see the various of jobs in various categories. All the categories are joined together. So to check on the particular category or to check on the particular job, you can click on the category option that is on the top of the list. There you can see various job categories such as by signing up, by rating Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and by writing an article. You can also give your honest review. You can also create your computer programs. You can also text a app. You can do video marketing. You can search, click and engage with various websites. You can also give promotions by voting and rating. Now let me click on sign up button so that you can see various sign up job offers. Once you click give apply option, and you can see the sign up jobs and various payments for it. You can click any of the jobs and you can make payment easily from it. Now I am clicking on starclicks.com. Clicking on a particular job, it asks you to fill your details. Give your details and click the save options. Once you save your details, it gets directed to the specified job you searched for. There you can see the specifications of the job and their requirements from you and how to do. For each jobs, their steps varies. You should go through the complete step and you can do accordingly. Once you follow the steps and do everything, you just need to take a screenshot and upload what you have did by giving your name and by uploading the screenshots. Once you uploaded it, you get payment to your account so that you can withdraw it whenever you required. Once you completed your job, you just give your registered full name and the screenshots which they are asked you to update. It depends on the jobs. For each job, this askings and requirements differs. So you just check into it and do accordingly. And once you click on the submit proof, your proof gets submitted and the amount will be transferred to your wallet. To To check it, click on the wallet option, and there you can see three options: deposit, withdrawals and transaction. Deposits is not a compulsory thing. It is just a thing which you wish you can do for posting your jobs, or else it doesn't require. You can deposit from $10. The deposition cannot be made to credit or debit card. It should be done to PayPal. You can link your bank account through PayPal and you can deposit accordingly. In withdrawals, you can see the amount you have earned. The minimum amount of withdrawal should be $5.40 without the money you get on your sign up. Once you complete this, you can click request withdrawal option so that you can make a way for your withdrawal, and you'll get transfer to your PayPal account within 10 days. And the transaction is what you have done so far and what you have earned so far. And you can also do a transactions for easy payment or easy workings. All this is done only through PayPal, and by clicking on the My Jobs, you can see what jobs you have did so far. Either you have posted a job or either you have done a job. If you want to post a job, click on post a job option so that you can get help from various people you are working into it. You can also refer a friend so that they get useful, and you will also get a referral amount which is more useful for you. And in the finished task option, you can see the task you have finished so far. If you have done everything, you click my find jobs and do jobs further if you wish to. In your account, you can see your name and your profile. Click give your details and give save profile. You can also set the languages in which you are comfortable so that you get more money and you get more comfortable with your language. Select the language which you are comfortable. After entering it, you can give your level of convenient in it, and you can also add further more languages. By scrolling down, you can give your details, you can give your specifications, qualifications and everything, and you can save. If you wish to cancel or if it doesn't like, you can delete your account whenever you want. Once doing all this, you get set in with your basic profile so that you can do it as a part-time job from home very easily and comfortable. You can see the rankings, which these are the peoples you have did this throughout, and they have earned this much from this account. You can also do it regularly so that you can get the high success rate and you can earn money easily from home. It doesn't require much things. It is a very normal thing where you can do a simple ratings, simple search option, simple promotion video. It does not require even a single investment, and it is very useful for the students who are working or the college peoples and everything. I hope this video finds you helpful. Thank you friends. Start making money smartly without any investment. If you like this video, click on the like button. Do subscribe to get further more interesting updates waiting in our list. Thank you friends. I hope you find this helpful.